how to find and delete duplicate files on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on device care. After that, tap on storage. Then scroll down and tap on duplicate files. In here, the phone will automatically try to find any duplicate files. If there are duplicate files, it will display in the list here. You can scroll down and then select the files that you want to remove. So here, I'm going to select these duplicate files. Now do not select both of them, only select only one of them. And then tap on delete, select the files, then tap on delete. And that's it. So that is how you can delete duplicate files on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.